The Huggs-Epigram, I mean, like our name, just to embrace, to give them that 5-minute coffee, whatever drinks that you want. So I think the idea for Huggs is definitely bridging the local as well as the specialty. Find a good balance of East meets West.
For Epigram, we believe that the best gift or souvenir that anyone can get from a country is a book written by a local author or written about the country. I mean, if you look around and see, there are so many picture books here that are written and illustrated by Singaporeans, as well as fiction, where because of our Epigram Books Fiction Prize, there are so many new first-time writers who've been able to get published, write their first book.
An important part of culture is the way we tell stories for ourselves, to ourselves and to the people around us. And literature has to be a part of that tradition of storytelling. The books that we see here, thankfully we can count in that number. I think by publishing our books and then putting it out in a public space, a public environment, the Huggs-Epigram Bookstore is definitely a good way to make sure that young authors, debut authors like myself, get to see their works on shelves, and so the public gets to see their works on shelves as well.
Whole Singapore.
Whole Singapore
Hold Singapore in your hands.